Leveraging the internet to reduce phone costs is an important success component for businesses who want to save costs. Many businesses use VoIP services as their phone lines as a replacement for the traditional analog phone lines. Because there are so many VoIP providers, it can be difficult knowing how to research and choose a vendor. VoIP telephone systems allow businesses or users to connect with others using the internet. The connection is digital and can be easily transferred to another phone or converted into text and stored. So, how do you select a vendor for business VoIP services? VoIP vendors offer a wide variety of very appealing features. Some VoIP will automatically forward calls to a cell phone. Others provide conversion from voicemail messages to emails or text messages that the receiver can read. The price for VoIP service varies depending on the number of phones a business uses, features, and the vendor itself. Businesses should determine what their budget is before making a selection. The hardware required for VoIP services also varies based on the vendor. For example, some VoIP services can be used on a computer. Other services are available through an interface, VoIP-equipped telephone. There are many vendors offering a variety of features and pricing packages.
Do you want voice over IP service providers to compete for your business? If so, go to www.insideup.com/VoIP